Good morning, it's 6:18. I just finished making breakfast. Today I'm having a protein coffee, the vanilla and chocolate premier protein shake mixed with some espresso. I'm trying to eat more carbs. That's my goal lately. I just noticed I'm not eating enough carbs, being gluten-free. Having an oatmeal bowl with flaxseed, hemp heart. There's a half a banana in here. Plans for the day today, I'm going to attempt to edit some YouTube videos on my computer. I've been doing it on my phone, so I'm not very fast at doing it on my computer yet, but it's something I'm working on. And then my friend Erin is going to meet me at a cafe around noon today. I just finished my walk. I hit 17,000 steps. I've uploaded my video to go live in 2 hours, all about my loose skin after losing weight. If you're interested in that, go watch and check out that video. It has literally up close videos of what my skin looks like after losing over 80 pounds. I will say I'm definitely feeling a lot more energized, increasing my carbs the last couple days, so it's something I'm going to keep at, but I need to take Benji on a dub, and then I need to get ready because I'm meeting my friend at that cafe as well. I do want to eat something, but I also don't know if we're gonna get food, so I might just pack a protein bar in my purse and then eat a couple eggs or something small and light. I also want to focus on my water, so I'm going to take my water out with me when I take Benji out. Just got back from our walk and my garden is looking so good, and I'm just feeding Benji right now. Whoa. Okay, I didn't mean to burp him. I decided I'm actually not very hungry right now, so I think I'm gonna get food at the cafe later, or if Erin wants to get food out, we might do that. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna put, Tyler made fun of me the last time I did this, but I'm not kidding, it's so helpful. I'm gonna put a kiwi in my purse, and I'm also going to put a protein bar in my purse to eat later potentially. I have a feeling Erin's gonna be here any second, but I'm gonna see how many leg workouts I can do before she gets here. Trying to glute max a little bit this year because my ass is a little flat from losing the weight. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna be a good angle, but basically I'm gonna use the edge of my couch and do some thrusts. It's 12:50, Erin isn't here yet. I'm gonna make a little snack really quick. I have these homemade chicken nuggets that are basically just egg, cornstarch, random seasonings that are in my The Only Chicken Recipe I Use video if you wanna go look at that. And then I just threw it all in a food processor with some chicken breast. And I'm just eating it with some of the salmon barbecue sauce. Okay, she's here. I ate one. I'm gonna eat the rest later. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Hey. Kind of cute though. We were trying to read outside. There was 3 wasps that were circling.
Surprised you haven't been using this. Maybe it would have kept the wasps away. Do you want the other umbrella up? What? Do you want that umbrella up too?
No, I'm shaded. I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah. Thanks though. Love you. It's now 4:44. I'm gonna make some dinner. I think I'm gonna do some canned oysters, and we are gonna build our meal around that. Dinner tonight, I'm having edamame, some mashed potato with white beans, seaweed salad, and some canned oysters. I'm gonna force Tyler to watch an episode of Big Brother with me.
While also within his sight.
Because my lunch wasn't the best today, in an attempt to get a little bit more protein, fiber, and some carbs in, I'm going to be having a protein shake. I have protein powder, banana, oats, peanut butter, and then I also added some soaked basil seed for some extra little fiber. Just finished my smoothie, and that is the last thing I'm eating today. Here is the total for my calories, fiber, carbs, protein. And if you did enjoy today's video, I upload every single day. I would love to join you on your health journey, and we can just get healthier every single day together. I definitely could have had more protein today if I didn't eat that huge confetti square, which definitely took a lot of my calories for the day and also bumped up my fat a lot. But it's okay to eat treats every now and then. Today doesn't matter. It's showing up tomorrow even better. I'm off to bed. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.